Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on OnePlus Nord CE 5. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings first. Now, scroll down until you find System and Update, and now click on Backup and Reset. Let's begin with the Backup and Migrate, and with the local backup. Now click on Allow, 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 and Allow. Basically allow for everything. Now click on New Backup. And here, select the things that you want to backup. I'll select everything except the apps. Then click on the Start. Now your backup will be made, but you need to remember that this backup is stored on the device storage space. It's a local backup, so for example, if you reset this device, you will also lose your backup. So in my opinion, that's not the best option of saving the data. So let's go straight into our Google backup, which is in my opinion much better. Click on the Google account, and now in here under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And if you want to restore that backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Also make sure the Backup by Google one below is enabled. And when it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backuped. And now simply click on Backup Now. Also make sure that you have some free storage space. And now I also need to draw my lock screen pattern to confirm and to go forward. And now let's simply wait. And now under the... Oh, something went wrong. Okay, now under the backup word, this thin bar appeared, and you can see that it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, and we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So I'll see you once this process is finished. Okay, now the backup has been successfully made. We can also see right in here under the backup details, we have some information about the things that has been backupped, and also under the Backup by Google one sentence we can see how long ago the last backup was made. And I should take a look on the hour. It was like 10 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.